Hello friends, my name is Arushka and today I am going to tell you how to make this simple wall hanging. This is an easy way to decorate your home and also to make, and it's very interesting but it's need your hard work. So let's start making it. For this I am taking these sheets of yellow and orange color. You can take any two combinations according to the contrast. And now we need to cut them equally into triangles. And you need a scissor and Fevicol. So let's start. First we will cut these into triangles. So these are in all 8 orange color triangles and 9 yellow color triangles. And we will also be needing jute. So here I have taken one of them, and this we will hold it in this way. And now first we will turn this in this way. You need to curl this, and this point should touch this point. Like this. And just apply sellotape over here. And the other piece you will take behind, back side, and then apply sellotape even here too. Instead of a sellotape you can also use Fevicol. You need to make all such pieces. So here I have made these. These are total in on 17, but we will need 2 more for the down part. So here I have made these 2 also. So in total 8 are orange and 9 are yellow. So now we will keep them aside and one by one take each. First we will take one yellow and one orange, and we will stick them together from behind like this. See. So I made like these 2, and now I have set them. It doesn't matter if this is going long and this is going short, but this should match. Like this is going a little bit up, so this will come down. Yes, like this. And these all should match. Like this. And with this, a little bit of leftover sheets, we are gonna make 2 circles. Orange the bigger one, yellow the smaller one, and yellow should be pasted inside the orange. Like this, I have made these 2, and now we are going to paste them with the help of Fevicol. So here I have pasted this, and now first we are going to join all this together and then paste this in between of this. And these are the extra ones. First let's keep it aside, we will see. Now this I am taking, and I am taking 2 pairs. Okay, and then I am adding half the sellotape in there, joining this and adding the rest in other. Like this we can join them. Same with the other. So here I have done this also, and now we are going to stick this in the center like this with the help of Fevicol. Our main is ready, but a little bit decoration can make it better. So here I am taking this jute, and from over here we will paste it like this, and then we will add a yellow cone in this, in such way. So first I am taking out this jute from this hole, and now I am pasting this over here. And then we will take our cone. See the length needed. We will see the length needed. I guess this much is okay. And we are going to tie a knot. So I have done this in the similar way. we need to do the others also. So here I've made this and all I have stick it in such way. I hope you have understood this video. Please like, share and subscribe my channel, and also click on the bell icon for more updates of my video. Thank you.